is G.I. Jill again. And if you're ready to receive, the jukebox and I are ready to send with another 15 minutes of record spinning. We've got some sweet and some swing, some old stuff and some new stuff, but all stuff that I think you'll like. Jimmy Lunsford drew the lead-off spot today, and here he goes with Jeep Rhythm.
United States Treasury presents the Honorable Harry S. Truman, United States Senator from Missouri.
America is at a critical stage in her history. On all sides, wanton aggressors seek to destroy those freedoms and liberties which have made America great. This peril must be destroyed for all time. Swift and decisive action is necessary. We must take the offensive. We must gain control of the air on all fronts. We must keep our supply lines open. America needs and expects our help to supply our armed forces with a flood of planes, tanks, ships, and guns. There can be no victory without your help. We must, all of us, invest in victory by purchasing defense bonds and stamps to the limit of our ability. America must not fail, and we must not fail America.
Oh, a Yank and a Tank is a team that can't be beat. We fight with all our might till our enemies retreat. Our brothers in arms on the sea and in the air are darn glad to know that the tankers are in there, where big cannons roar and the shells go whistling by and guidons fly right against the sunny sky. No matter what the odds may be, the Yanks in the tanks roll along to victory.
Oh, the armored command has the stuff to see it through. No man will fail in the fighting tanker crew. Ring a cheer up to the skies. Hooray! The Yanks in the tanks go a-rolling on to victory.
Put it there, boy. We'll show these fascists what a couple of hillbillies can do. Well, I'm going to tell you, fascists, you may be